Hi friends, this video shows how to connect to Google TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First let me go to TV. In TV, go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Under network and internet you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. After this, let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to network and internet. Tap on internet. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. After this, we can start screen mirroring. In mobile phone, go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on connected devices, tap on connection preferences, tap on cast. See, you can see this mobile phone has detected all nearby TVs. You can see LG TV, Android TV, Google TV, Samsung TV, Google TV. This is the name of this TV. Tap on this TV name, Google TV. Tap on start now. See, screen mirroring working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to settings, go to cast. Here you can see the connected TV. Tap on this connected TV name. Tap on disconnect. Done. So this way we can connect to Google TV and do screen mirroring. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.